Hi, I'm Regina Narjes, a hay product specialist for 21st Century Equipment, and today I'm going to tell you about our new 9 Series round baler. All new 9 Series round balers will come with a drawbar shield. All new 9 Series round balers will come with an adjustable hitch. On the 8 Series round balers, there was a weld and a groove that had to be lined up correctly to get the PTO shaft to fit together. With the new 9 Series, they actually took out that weld and that groove and just put a rounded head on it so you can put the PTO shaft together easily. Another feature on the new 9 Series round balers is this hydraulic SUV storage cutout. John Deere has also changed the gearbox output shaft from the 8 Series to the 9 Series. On the 8 Series, they had the welded collar and a slip-fit coupler on there. They went completely away from that and went to a solid shaft with a bolted U-joint, making that gearbox shaft stronger and will last longer for you. All new 9 Series round balers will come with quality diamond chain. On the 8 Series, the pickup drive is run off of the starter roll. On the new 9 Series, it's going to be run off that lower drive roll so that it reduces that wear and tear on your starter roll. On the new 9 Series round balers, they added an additional bale shape sensor to prevent making those barrel-shaped bales. John Deere is now offering a premium round baler with gull wing doors. With the new gull wing doors, it offers better accessibility to service your new round baler. The premium baler will come with a cam-type clutch. Another added feature with the premium round baler is this grease bank, where it shows the grease zerks and what hour intervals they need to be greased at. On the new 9 Series round balers, they increased the number 9 and 11 idler rolls. On the 8 Series, they had an 1.25 inch shaft with bearings to match. On the 9 Series standard, they now have an 1.5 inch shaft with a larger bearing. And on the premium, they beefed it up even more and put an 1.75 inch shaft with a larger bearing as well. On the new 9 Series premium round baler, they beefed up the mega wide pickup. This is what is on the 568 and 569 standard round balers. And this is what's on the new premium round balers. As you can see, they added bearings to all the spiders, and they increased the size of each part, and even the reel cam is a lot bigger than what the reel cam on the old one was. With the all-new 9 Series premium round baler, John Deere is introducing the first ever tractor baler automation. There are 2 levels of tractor baler automation. Level 1 requires electronic SUVs, and the baler will actually wrap and tie the bale for you, as well as open the gate, kick it out, and close the door again for you. Level 2 of activation requires an IBT transmission on your tractor. The baler will actually start and stop your tractor for you, as well as wrap and tie the bale and kick it out and close the door, and then start the tractor up at that speed again. I'm Regina Narjes, a hay product specialist with 21st Century Equipment, where we are making farming easier for you.